A lot of new cars, they have this concept, and when there are no keys present and the alarm is on, this module has to be replaced. This is the BSI, the body control module. This Vauxhall Grandland on a 24 plate is actually a Peugeot. How's that? Well, as of 2017, Vauxhall has been acquired by the PSA, and although they kept keeping the badge, the technology is totally different. And let's see what's different when it comes to a key. So this is an auction car, had no keys, and in order to program a key, we had to do something more. If you come inside, I'll show you what is this something more. A lot of new cars, they have this concept, and when there are no keys present and the alarm is on, this module has to be replaced. This is the BSI, the body control module, and when the alarm is on, it's kind of blocking the communication. What we had to do in order to program the new key, we had to replace. The module sits over there under the glove box, quite a comprehensive module, and also the programming procedure is quite comprehensive to be done. We've done it. There's still some more configuration to be done, but after about 2 weeks we had this car running. I'm saying 2 weeks because this part special order, and it took about 2 weeks. Lesson to learn from here: it's always good to have a spare key, because then you don't need to replace the body control module. So always keep a spare in case the main key is lost. You always have a backup, and then you can do another one. Otherwise, becomes a comprehensive job, as it was the case in this situation. We don't know the mileage on it. It's very low. Oh, here is the mileage. Look, 579 kilometers actually. It's interesting that it's in kilometers, so quite a low mileage. However, had no keys. Now it has, and it's ready to go in the workshop. We still have to install a few things back to the car, but yeah, we have the engine running. We had to have battery support in order to do the programming. Now we're gonna put it in a shop, and probably it will be the first time that this car is gonna move by itself in a while. Let's see if it actually drives. Yeah, it does drive. So this is the lesson: always keep a spare key. New cars become more comprehensive to program a key when there are no keys present. See you next time. Do you like what you see? There's more to it. Come here.
Subscribe. Follow us for more videos about vehicle security,
Keep close.
car keys.